Yeah, so guys, I do welcome you back at my YouTube channel, and this is your boy Robert once again. So guys, I just woke up today in the morning, and just like that, I found out that my washing machine isn't working properly. For that case, I'll explain to you what really happened or what I found with the washing machine. So guys, this is a home vlog, and I will show you what technically you can do if you find out that your washing machine isn't working the way you think it should be working. So first and foremost, I'll show you what really happened and explain, and then see where I have reached. Yeah, so guys, this is the situation. I just came and found out that the machine was pouring quite much water, like all the water that was coming from the tap, coming down to the machine, so that it can start washing, was just coming down. It was just pouring down. So this is where the machine sits, or this is where it's supposed to be, and you can see that is the tap over there. So the tap runs until this spot, and then it goes through from here, and then it comes until this area. So that's where the water comes, so that the machine can start washing. Then the water will go through the detergent, and then it will be washing under this propeller. So this is the system, and this is how it works. But eventually, as you can see, the floor is totally wet. This is where the machine, yes, it's dirty, but it's just understandable because this is where the machine always sits, because it takes long to be cleaned, and since it's sometimes not removable, it cannot be removed. So I just found that the machine is so wet, and all the water that's being poured from the tap is just coming down, and it's just pouring down. So I checked to see what is wrong, and specifically I found out that this pipe over there was just out. You see, I think you see it. I'll put light for you. So this pipe over there was out, and the water was just pouring. And the second thing, the machine was not balancing, whereby when it's washing, the machine is just shaking, so it's not stable from its position. So these are the few problems that it was facing itself, and I believe it is the reason as to why this pipe also had to be pulled out from where it's supposed to be, or from its position. That's why it's always good when you follow up on the machine every time putting clothes. Make sure that it's stable and it's the best position where it can it does fit very well, and it's not shaking at all, because this machine is using a lot of energy when it's spinning and when it's drying up some clothes. So always you need to make sure that it's stable in its position where it is. So I will make sure that I do some repairs and make sure it's working well. Yeah, so guys, I think you've seen what is really wrong with the machine, and what I'm going to do is to clean it first. I'm going to clean all the spots around it before I put it back in this position. So what I'm going to do is to clean it first and make sure that when I put it back, it is thoroughly clean and it's well maintained. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to your boy Robert and share this video. Let's see what I can do as trying electrician. So guys, watch this video. This is your boy Robert, and this is Electro Vlogs. For those that are living in Qatar, guys, we have got you the best deals. So if you feel like you want to try African products, guys, contact Rocky's Grocery. I'll pin the number right here on the screen just below. So guys, contact Rocky's Grocery. They will serve you with each and everything. So we have products like Matoke, we have products like Romonde, we have products, and we also sell cosmetics that are coming from Uganda. We have got Reiko, we have got each and every stuff that you know is coming from Uganda. These things are original, so you don't have to worry about anything. We have got all styles of wigs. You know, ladies, you always have to look smart and nice, so that life would be good. So we have got each and everything, all the cosmetics that are coming from Uganda and Kenya at the same time. So contact Rocky's Grocery, so they will be ready to serve you. I started with washing the machine and making sure at least each and every part of the machine is thoroughly well cleaned. So what I did, I dismantled the machine and made sure I can access each and every corner of the machine. So this is what I had to do because I need to touch each and everything that needed to be touched. I needed to clean each and everything that needed to be cleaned so that I cannot open this machine again. So some machines, you need to open them, at least open the drainage system of the machine every after 1 month, because sometimes when you are washing clothes, there are some stuff that will go underneath the drainage, and you need to open it and this let that water that comes from the clothes go out so that the machine can keep on working so well. So what I did is to clean the machine thoroughly well, and I made sure it's really cleaned. The glass, as you can see, I cleaned the glass and made sure, but I need to be so keen. I needed to be so gentle, because if I would pour the water into the wires of the machine, then it wouldn't be good for the machine operation. So what I did, I made sure I clean each and everything. So as you can see right now, I am putting back part by part in its original place. You can see I'm using the screw and the screwdriver. It's really quite tiresome, but I had to do that because this machine is quite expensive and I had to make sure I maintain it the way I'm supposed to maintain it. So as you can see, I'm putting back each and everything. So these machines are so delicate. Sometimes if you do something that, you know, if you think you cannot make it the way I'm doing it, or you think you can technically not manage to clean it or the way I've done it, it's better you find a technician that can do the job. So if you can do that and you are truly good at it, you can make it. You don't have to spend more money finding a technician, so that, you know, sometimes you need to save some. So I was putting back each and every part. As you can see, I made sure it is balancing down because it was not balancing. So I made sure it's balancing as it's supposed to be firm on the ground or on the floor. So that's what I did. You can see I made sure it's put together and it will not be shaking at any cost. So guys, first and foremost, I would like to thank you so much, guys, and I would urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's me, your boy Robert, and this is Extra Vlog. So watch the video and enjoy it. So guys, I think you can see how it looks. I have put back the cover. Yes, I electrified the pipe that was linking, and then I made sure I cleaned this place because it was having a lot of detergents. You know, the one that is always left there, and I made sure I put back this, and it's well touched. And I replaced also. Sorry, I also fixed this one back to make sure it's well fit in its position. As you can see, everything is now set. Just there's one part that's missing here, which is the cap that is covering right here. And then I have to fix all this back to their positions and make sure I clean all of this place. So guys, this is your boy, and this is, let me finish this and then see whether it will work or not. Yeah, so right now I'm going to fix this back and put it in its position so that it can be figured out well. So it's supposed to be here, as guys you can see. I'll fix it. So this is this position. I have to make sure it's well fit. Yes, right over here. so it's well fit. Looks dirty right over here, but it's because when I was cleaning the inside, it was not touched. So I'm going to also clean this part because having some bit of wires, and so I need to be so keen when I'm doing the cleaning right over this head. So this is it now. So as you guys, you can see, I have cleaned it and it's looking really nice. So now let me put back the cover and we try it and see how it's working generally, because it was really making a lot of sound. It will making a lot of noise. So I will check it out and see how it's working. I need also to balance the basement of it so that it's not shaking. I want it to be stable right where it will be, or where it's supposed to be. So I will give it a first try. Let me first put back the cover, the pipe for the water, before I want to give it a try and see if it is. Wait just one moment, just give me hard time to put back. One, see if it's not linking water again. Yes, and then I'll connect the cable to the electricity and switch it on, and then switch on here. Then I want to check if the water is coming right from its position and it's going down the way it has to be, because water has to come right here, but it was just going through and not coming in the washer. So I'll put a few minutes that we'll do it fast. So this is the timings that I have put. I can set to any I want, but I have put this one. Then let's see. I think the water is okay. Wait, I didn't switch on the water. I didn't release the water. Then, yeah, it's released. Okay, so you can see now the water is coming over there, and it is coming also over here. The reason as to why is because I have not covered this place. That means the water is flowing the way it's supposed to be flowing. So I think the issue has been solved, and it's working quite nice. So when I saw that nothing is wrong with the machine, it's really working nice. I had to put back the cover and made sure it's back in its best position. So the machine is okay, everything is fine. So I put back the cover. As you guys can see, it's really it's technical, but I fixed it the way it's supposed to be. So that is the machine right over there. So I had to make sure I tighten the screws behind and put back the water pipe so that the machine can start running and doing its job the best way. So guys, thank you so much. I would like to thank everybody that has been watching this video from the start to the end. So I make a variety of videos with each and every thing that I touch on, each and everything that I think about. So this is your boy Robert, and this is Extra Vlogs. I do quite a number of videos, and guys, I wish to see you back on the next episode or video that I'll be uploading. So guys, thank you so much. I really love you guys. Thank you for watching. So now this is the machine, and that's how it looks after everything. So what is missing? This one and the other one down. So I'll fix them and then clean it on the surface and then fix it back after cleaning that side, and then see if it will keep washing the clothes the way it's supposed to be washing.